Today's topic is diagraph.
Dear friends, Assalamu. Welcome to Steps International School, Sultanpur, Havelian. My name is Ibrahim. Today my topic is diagraph. When two letters give a single sound is called diagraph. Our first diagraph is PH diagraph. Do you know there are only 351 words that start with PH diagraph? PH diagraph is pronounced as f. Just touch the upper teeth with lower lip. F. Let's practice some words. Phone, phonics, for diagraph. Dear friends, let's more practice with a short paragraph. A phobic elephant with a photo of alphabets smashed my nephew's trophy. A phobic elephant with a photo of alphabets smashed my nephew's trophy. The second diagraph is TH diagraph. It gives two sounds, th and th. Just place your tongue between the upper and lower lip. Look at these words. Think, thank, throw. Let's practice some words with the sound. This, these, that. Let's practice more with a short sentence. These unthankful boys think about the thick pizza there.
Steps International School announces a 40% discount on tuition fees for the next academic year. Education is a human right, and every child has the right to get high-quality education. Steps International School announces a 40% discount on tuition fees